Assalamu alaikum class 3. Today is Wednesday 13th May 2020. Alright, yesterday we discussed countable nouns and uncountable nouns. And yesterday we discussed and compare two pictures in our workbook. And right now we are going to continue that topic on workbook page number 11. Alright. Yesterday we discussed these two pictures of Numan and Zishan. हमने इन pictures में comparison किया था. क्या क्या नजर आ रहा है हमें? What do you say? What do you think? What do you see in these pictures? और options क्या क्या हैं? And these are the things which you mostly see in the shop. Bottles थी, money, coins, sacks, boxes, tin packs, and eventually हमने इन two persons को Numan and Zishan की picture को भी compare किया था. One of these guys is bald. Bald means hairless, a person who has no hairs, and another is Zishan. You can see कि इनके head पे hairs हैं. Alright, और दोनों ने glasses भी पहनी हुई हैं. Numan is fatter than Zishan, so हमने कल ये pictures को compare किया था. Alright, now we are going to continue that topic, and now today we will understand how to use comparatives. First of all, let's recall that what is comparative. Yesterday when we discussed these pictures, so हमने ये sentences write किए थे यहाँ पे, complete किया था by writing name and उनकी जो comparison थी more money, less money, fewer, more. So more, less, fewer, ये हमने discuss किए थे and आज हम इसी को continue कर रहे हैं. So these are the comparatives. More than, excuse me, more than, less than, fewer than. These three are called comparatives. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Comparatives. क्यों कहते हैं comparatives? Why are these called comparatives? Because these are used to compare different qualities and different things. अभी देखें, इसमें कोई quality भी compare की जा सकती है, इसमें कोई noun भी compare किया जा सकता है, because यहाँ पे yesterday in our previous lesson हमने noun को compare किया था. So that's why these are called comparatives. These are called comparatives. More than, less than, and fewer than. And yesterday we discussed that we use fewer with countable nouns, and we use less with uncountable nouns. What are countable nouns? Yesterday we also discussed that countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted, and uncountable nouns are those nouns which cannot be counted. वो नाउन जिनको काउंट किया जा सकता है उनको कहा जाता है काउंटेबल नाउन, और वो जिनको काउंट नहीं किया जा सकता, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वाटर इज द नेम ऑफ द थिंग ना, वाटर किसी चीज का नेम है, नाउन इज अ नेमिंग थिंग, वाटर, मिल्क, स्टार्स, हेयर्स, पाउडर. सो दीज आर uncountable noun, and countable nouns are like pencils, trees, flowers, sticks. These all are countable nouns. So today we are going to use these comparatives in sentences. हमारे पास आज भी वही two pictures हैं of Zishan and Numan, and we will use these comparatives in our sentences. So are you ready? Alright, first of all, please write down day, Wednesday, 13th May 2020. Write sentences about Numan and Zishan. Use more than, less than, and fewer than, and also use the given nouns. Which nouns? कौन से nouns? हमसे ये कहा जा रहा है कि हमने more than, less than, and fewer than को use करना है. And what are these called? More, less, fewer? Yes, these are called comparatives. More, less, fewer, these are called comparatives. इन comparatives को use करना है हमने sentences में, and we have to use the given nouns. These are the nouns: bottles, tin, gold, hair, shelves, boxes. Alright? अब ये जो grey box है, इसमें जितने nouns हैं, इन सबको हमने sentences में use करना है. So please write down noun box. Please put an arrow. एक arrow का निशान please यहाँ पे write करें, and after that please write down noun box, because this box is showing nouns. Box, boxes, shelves, hair, gold, tins, bottles, these are nouns. So we are going to use comparatives and these nouns in the sentences. अब इन nouns को पहले हम ये देख लेते हैं कि इनमें से कौन से nouns हैं जो uncountable हैं और कौन से countable हैं. Bottles. Bottle is a countable noun because bottles can be counted. Tins, countable because tins को भी count किया जा सकता है. Gold is uncountable noun. Hair, uncountable noun. Shelves, countable क्योंकि जो shelves हैं हम उन्हें count कर सकते हैं. What are the shelves? You see, these are the shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the shelves. So shelves are countable nouns. Boxes are also countable nouns. So these are the nouns which we are going to use in the sentences. Alright, so let's begin. Noman has more bottles than Zishan. Look at this picture. Who has got more bottles? Yes, Noman. Noman is the one who has got more bottles. Noman has more bottles than Zishan. Noman has less hair than Zishan. Why have we used less hair? Because hair is uncountable noun. Look, Noman is bald. He's hairless person. So that's why hair is uncountable noun. So we have used less hair. हम fewer use नहीं करेंगे. Because I told you that uncountable noun के साथ हम कौन सा comparative use करते हैं? Less. Excuse me. Numan has more boxes than Zishan. Alright, let's take a look at this picture. Numan has more boxes than Zishan. Alright, so box is a countable noun for more. Zishan has fewer bottles than Numan. Bottle is countable noun, so that's why we have used fewer. As I told you that we use fewer with countable noun. वो सब noun जिनको count किया जा सकता है, we use fewer with them. Alright? Then, Zishan has more sacks than Noman. Zishan. This is Zishan and count the sacks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sacks on Zishan's shelf and there are only 3 sacks on Noman's shelf. So it means that Zishan has more sacks than Noman. Zishan has fewer tins than Noman. So Zishan has fewer tins than Noman. Why we used fewer here? Alright. Well, you know that with countable noun we use fewer. वो सब noun जो countable हैं, हम वो सब चीज़ें जिनको count किया जा सकता है, जिनको गिन सकते हैं हम उनके साथ fewer use करते हैं. So we have used fewer here. Zishan has fewer tins than Noman. Alright children, अब ये देखें नीचे आप ये अपनी information के लिए, अपने knowledge के लिए भी write कर सकते हैं. Fewer than is used with countable noun. Less than is used with uncountable noun. So ये आपको remind कराएगा. So please remember, always use fewer than with countable noun and less than with uncountable noun. Alright, while doing this written work, just ensure one thing, आपने एक चीज़ का ख्याल रखना है, that you see Zishan and Noman both are proper noun. ये जो हैं, these are the names of the persons. So like आप अपना name भी capital letter से start करते हैं ना, so similarly proper noun is always written with capital letters. Zishan, Noman का जो first letter है always capital आएगा, and you know that capital letter is bigger than size और उसकी formation भी different है. Then आपने at the end of the sentence don't forget to put full stops, you see, and fewer than, THAN. Don't write this then. Spell this correctly, THAN, than. Don't misspell. यहाँ पे आपने THEN then नहीं लिखना. Then means differently with as compared to than. So you have to write than here. Alright, so be very careful about your writing. And आपने इसकी presentation बिल्कुल proper रखनी है. Now it's time to look at the diary. Today's diary is learn using comparatives in sentences. So what are the comparatives? These are the comparatives. Less, few, more. और please आप यहाँ पे write भी कर लें अपनी workbook पे. Comparatives. Because this is a vocabulary. Excuse me. So please write down comparatives. What are the comparatives? More, less, fewer. These are the comparatives. आप इसको यहाँ पे भी write कर सकते हैं. Comparatives. Fewer, less, more. These are the comparatives. Alright, thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.